To fix this error, that is can't read this page, DSC search archiver.com DNS Pro finished NX domain. So if you're receiving this error on Microsoft Edge, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, you can go to Microsoft Edge and then you can go to these three dots and then go to extension option and then select manage extension. Now over here, if you find any extension which you do not recognize, which you're not aware of, and which looks suspicious, you can remove those extensions. So any application, check for extension that you cannot recognize or it looks suspicious, remove those extensions. So you can remove those extensions which you don't recognize, which looks suspicious. Just click on remove. Once you remove it, this is just an example, remove all the suspicious extension from here. And once you remove it, then go to Edge, go to this location. The location is provided in the video description. Now paste the location over here and then hit the enter key. Now go to privacy search and services, and then on the right hand side go to search and connected experiences. Now over here select address bar and search. Now click on search engines. Now over here you can select any default, like if Bing is default, if you want to make Bing default, you can make it default. If you want Google to be default, you can make it default. And from this list again you remove the URL which you are not aware of. So anything which you are not aware of, for example, you can just remove it. So remove all the shortcut and URL which you are not aware of, and then keep the default which you want, for example Google or Bing. And once you do that, now you have to remove any suspicious or unknown items from this list. Once you remove it, now you have to relaunch browser. You can close Edge and then you have to relaunch Edge once again, and then you can check. So that should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.